Here it is, December 30th of 2025, and LiveGood has been officially an affiliate badass company for about 3 years. All right, 2.5 million people have joined, including myself. All right, I joined a little over a couple of years ago, and what a ride. I have never thought in my life that I would, number one, even want to be an affiliate and do something online, sell something online. I don't mind going online, shopping, going to eBay Motors, screwing off on Amazon. But if someone told me a couple years ago that I could actually make a full-time living by hanging out with you fine folks and simply just showing you something, which is basically a link, you click it, you watch, you're either in or out. You want to buy the Live Good products, or maybe you want to be an affiliate. Okay. I'm going to show you what I've done over the last couple of years to move up out of 2.5 million people. I'm number 37 on the leaderboard worldwide. And I'm kind of proud of that. All right. It makes me feel good. So, anyway, thanks, guys. I'm easy to get a hold of. This is my official Facebook page. Just type in Cory J. Draper. You can see my black truck and see myself squinting there with my sunglasses, okay? But anyway, what I'm going to show you is how, number one, just to get more information. And this is what I do. I ask you to go to joincory.com. All right, I bought that domain name. I think it was about 12 bucks with GoDaddy. And for free, they forward it to this page you're looking at right now. You don't have to have hosting. Okay, this website you're looking at, this is what you get when you join LiveGood. Okay, now let me move myself over here a little bit. You can put any name right here. You can put Dynamic Nutrition or your real name. I like to put my real name because if you go to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, if I say my name a few times, Cory Draper, I'm just a real person. Okay, I get better results by just being me. Okay, don't have to fake it to make it. I'm guessing this might be a model right here in the blue shirt. I'm not. Okay, I got this $10 shirt I got at Walmart on right now, and my Rockin' Hot Rod Productions baseball hat that I'm wearing just about every video. Okay, so let's move right along and let me just show you what I'd like you to do. Go to joincory.com. I want you to fill out your name, email address, and just hit that reserve my position. Okay, you're not joining yet. You're just going to get a nice email from LiveGood. And I want you to keep these emails because if you join as an affiliate, you can learn from them. You're going to get one email a day for 30 days. It's built in. It's a built-in autoresponder. So when you join as an affiliate and when people put in their name and email address, they go ahead and reserve their position and LiveGood takes over for the next 30 days. How nice is that? Autoresponders are a pain in the butt. So watch this video. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He's just going to talk about the opportunity, the products, where we're going, where we've been, and he can do it great. In 5 minutes and 55 seconds, I just sit back and I let you decide. If you'd like more information, you can always get a hold of me. All right, I'm not shy. And if you'd like to join, I'm excited for you, okay? Now, you're going to get a username and a password, and this is what it looks like. This is the back office of LiveGood. Now, homepage, my membership. You can join by the month or by the year. It's up to you. If you'd like to shop, I recommend you look at the products. The products are what brought me to LiveGood in the first place, not to be an affiliate. I was buying super reds, then I bought super greens, and I bought the organic coffee and some other things. And before I knew it, I was feeling good, looking pretty darn good, and I became an affiliate, like I said, a couple years ago. What a ride. So go to the products or shop tab and just go through all these products. And if you want to learn more, just click the little buttons. They'll tell you about the price, wholesale, retail, 100% what the ingredients are, by the way, too. Look at all this stuff, just magnesium and protein powder. The super reds and the super greens, I highly recommend. Super cheap too. Coffee is yum. CBD oil for pets and yourself. If you have some aches and pains, you need some energy, try the E3 for sure. Pain relief cream. This is awesome. You just rub it on your elbow or your neck or your shoulder. And I'll tell you what, with 2,000 milligrams of CBD oil, you feel good. And it's super cheap too. All right, just go through all of our products. Pretty cool. Now, the website, it takes a while just to go through, but it's real simple. Subscribe and save. Yeah, you can automatically order stuff each month if you want, But guys, you don't have to buy any products to earn commissions. We are a membership-based opportunity like Netflix, like Costco. We make our commissions off memberships. So we like to focus on having the best products, the most expensive ingredients in our products, but we're a wholesale company. No one can beat our prices because we make the products for people to go sell in stores or on Amazon or out of your trunk of your car. It's up to you. A lot of people just buy wholesale and they take the products and they're happy with that. Or if you want to be an affiliate like me, you can earn some money and it can really add up, let me tell you. Your order history, your info, my team, how many people worldwide have signed up with me, my referrals. I get your name and your email address, and I'll probably send you an email and say, hey, if you need any information, just get a hold of me. Okay. Leaderboard. This is worldwide out of 2.5 million people. You can see right at number 37. There I am, LiveGood. All right, I got 443 people have already signed up. I'm heading for 500. All right, I want to be top 10 in the world with this company. And all I do is what you're looking at. I make a YouTube video. I invite you to a link, in this case, joincory.com. You guys watch the video. And if you join, there's tons of promotional videos already made. You don't have to do a video like I'm doing right now. So if you're shy and you just can't stand seeing yourself talk and you don't know what to do, don't worry about it. We have plenty of video you can already use and pictures and training. We have live webinars all the time. See right here where it says webinars? Every Monday, Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, they design and develop our products. All right, they do a great job telling you about what's coming out, how to use a product of ours effectively. And you can write them as well. They're super easy to get a hold of. So if you have any questions, Dr. Ryan and Lisa, every Monday at noon Eastern, they do about a 30-minute webinar. Wednesday, we have training, TikTok training, and it's awesome. We have our VP of Marketing, Nader Kazan, and some other folks. They go ahead and teach you just how to recruit, how to do TikTok marketing. And of course, it can lead into Instagram or Facebook. I like Facebook the best, but I also do TikTok as well. Thursday, we do a great meeting. It's a 1 hour meeting with the Fab Four, our four founders, Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, Nader Kazan, and our CEO, Ben Glinsky. It's just a 1 hour info fest of LiveGood, the products, the opportunity. It's awesome. Please watch these, and they're recorded. I put them on my YouTube channel, and of course, they're at the LiveGood channel as well. They're all recorded. You don't have to watch any of these webinars or live Zooms if you don't have to live because they are recorded. Now, Friday, this is a great meeting. It tells you about what products are coming out, how the company's doing. Are we getting paid early for Christmas? How many people have signed up worldwide? All right, it's very exciting, and it's hosted by the Fab Four again, Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, along with our CEO, Ben Glinsky, and Nader Kazan. Like I said, these are all recorded as well. This company does an insane amount of training. Okay, you're not going to be left on your own. And I'll tell you everything I do. I keep it simple. I just invite people to click something to watch something. I'm never on the phone. I never have to text or email. People usually sign up just by watching the joincory.com link. Go there, watch that short little video. There's plenty of other videos and information about LiveGood. Now that we're 3 years old, we're all over the place. Okay? We're definitely a name brand now. We are in a lot of homes worldwide. Okay? So, when you join, you can see how much you've made. All right? Frequently asked questions. You can always write the company Monday through Friday are the business hours. Go ahead and email them. If you have questions, go ahead. Don't be shy. And if it's about the products, definitely get a hold of Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Okay, resources. All right. Do you need to buy some leads? You can do that through the company. And the training is just awesome. So please remember, you're not going to be just left hanging if you join as an affiliate. Because if you make money, I make money. And I want to show you how I've signed up 443 people going on 500. I'm very excited. I keep things super simple. Please don't overanalyze and think, oh, I got to do all this fancy stuff and learn things for about 2 or 3 months. And then there's this magic list. All right. If you have a cell phone or a home computer like I'm on now, maybe a laptop, that's all you need. I got a ring light to light my face up a little bit. I bought a webcam. And I like to sit at a desk when I do these videos, but some people just use their cell phone. That's all you need. Walk around the park, sit in your living room. A lot of people sit behind their steering wheel. right in their car and do video. Okay, so it's up to you, but I just wanted to show you the back office. And like I said, go to joincory.com, watch that video right there. It's just a YouTube video. And if you would like more information or want to join, just fill in your name, email address, reserve my position, and open up the LiveGood email. It's that simple, guys. Okay, that's it. My work is done. I always appreciate you guys subscribing and liking any of my YouTube content or going to my Facebook page. Below this video, I always have all my information how to get a hold of me via social media. Okay, that's one of the tricks too. I'm not shy. I like to reach out, kind of see what's going on. But like I said, I'm almost never on the phone. Usually it's email or maybe an inbox on Facebook or whatnot. But this is one opportunity that I think you're going to really be proud of. So check it out. Go to joincory.com and get a hold of me if I can help you out. Okay? All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.